Hello students, today we are going to learn about the chapter chemical kinetics. So what is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with rate of reaction and its mechanism. What does this definition means? Chemical kinetics is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with rate of reaction and its mechanism. It is the branch which deals with rate of reaction, means the speed of reaction, means the reaction at which speed it occurs. This, and the mechanism means the method at which the reaction occurs. Okay. So there are two steps for finding the rate of reaction. First one is average rate and second one is instantaneous rate. Now we will learn this both rate one by one. First one, average rate. Average rate of reaction. Average rate of reaction is defined as change in concentration of reactants or products divided by time interval over which changes occur. What does this definition means? Average rate is defined as the change in concentration, means the variation in concentration of reactant or product divided by the change in time or change in time interval over a respect reaction. Now we will write the expression for this. Expression or equation is given as, so the equation for average rate is given as equation is rate of average reaction like this plus or minus delta C by delta T. Now for reactant and product both are different, signs are different for both. So for reactant average rate is written as delta of R by delta of T with negative sign. We write here negative sign because the concentration of reactant decreases with respect to time in a given reaction. And for product, average rate we may write as plus of concentration of delta T by delta T. The concentration of product increases in reaction with respect to time. So we write here positive sign. Now for the next step, for instantaneous rate. Second is instantaneous rate. What is instantaneous rate? Definition. Instantaneous rate is defined as rate of reaction at a specific instant. So what does this definition means? Instantaneous rate is defined as the rate of reaction at a given particular instant, of time, or you can say it like this. Okay, now same as the expression for this, equation for this. Equation is a rate of instantaneous reaction is given as plus or minus d of C by d of T. Okay, so basically we will write here in two categories, for reactant and product as well. For reactant and for products. Now for reactants, average rate for reactant instantaneous rate is written as minus of dr by dt, and for product it is written as instantaneous rate is written as plus of d of p by dt. Now why we given as minus and plus sign? Concentration of reactant decreases with respect to time in reaction, as we all know that, so we have given here minus sign. And for product, concentration of product increases with respect to time in a given reaction, so we have given here positive sign. So this was the instantaneous rate. I hope you all may have understood the instantaneous and average rate, and thank you for watching the lecture.